Bum 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 bum. Pocket loaded. What is playing right now? Dude, this fucking game is just automatically starting in the background all the time. There we go. Thank God. Alright. I'm getting the tunes. Getting the tunes, bro. I'm already long on the NASDAQ. I want those relative equal highs. I want the relative equal highs. I want the relative equal highs. My stop loss is reduced to this 5-minute swing low. Yeah, I got in at what's it called? 99. I had my original stop loss at the low. My original stop was here. But then I just reduced it to the 5-minute swing low. Oh. Alright. Oh. Damn, why is it the second that I start the stream, this thing reverses on me? Alright, let me post this on my story. How we doing, everybody? How are we doing, yo? Yo, what if I tweeted this out, bro? How CPI, NFP, and like just the economic calendar in general, bro, is just absolutely fucking ass cheek. And now the only thing that matters is a Trump tweet. Like literally the only thing that matters now is a Trump tweet or something talks about war, bro. It's like literally we don't care about CPI and NFP anymore. It means nothing. It literally means nothing. Isn't that crazy? Times have fucking changed. I feel like it's been like that. It hasn't really been like that. It's been like that for like 3 months now. Roughly 3 months, I would say. Because I've tried one shot, one kills on all of these, and they all have lost. The big four don't even meet. Dude, it ain't even the big four, bro. Alright, I posted. Okay. Same with Sessions, Switch, Asia's clear. Yeah, it's just Globax has just been better. It's been better. What's my current trading model, bro? Go on my YouTube channel. If they take me out, here, I'm gonna look for a re-entry long, targeting the relative equal highs. Because that pullback, that rejection is absolutely fucking disgusting. If I'm being honest with you, they probably are gonna take me out. I'm putting these to break even, actually. Just in case. I'm putting myself to break even. Alright, never mind. That is off the table now. I'm stopped break even on that. I'll try and get a re-entry. Maybe if something more clear happens. Market don't care about equal highs in a sell program. Okay. The best way to contact me, email. I think gold higher. Silver fucking ripped one. Fuck. NQ came right back up and snapped. Also, I'm pretty sure this is not a sell program, my friend. I don't know where you got that one out of. I answered off of the 3-minute change in the save delivery resting here. If it like trades higher again and inverses this 3-minute, I'll literally rebuy back in. If we inverse here, I'll literally take it again because we're still within the 5-minute. I just jammed my stops like a fucking retard. We'll literally just rebuy back in. It's gotta inverse the gap though. Nope. Not yet. Well, if we get it, Brandon, RBM, then I'll rip it. I bought the Funded Next Futures flex plans. They looked pretty good. No consistency on fundeds. To pass them, all you need to make is $2,500. Only 40% consistency on the eval. Scared of being... Yeah, I'm actually, like, retarded for jamming my stop loss. I'm so stupid. But if we inverse the 3, then I'll get in again. I rinsed the I used to rinse the 25K rapids. I had 12 of them. Those are the only accounts that I've traded from Funded Next, though, was only the rapids. What did you guys say? Do I trade RTY? Yeah. I trade it when it's good. I don't really actively watch it. My prime focus is NQES and YM. And then gold too, obviously, if gold looks good. Gold really doesn't look good right now. I'm setting alerts into this hourly gap. I guess I'll do that. We're a 90-minute. Set alerts there. Watching to see if we can get an inverse to this 3-minute gap for longs on NASDAQ. Bum, 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 bum. Will you not wait for the next 90 minutes? I mean, that's in 20 minutes. If I get an opportunity here, I'm still going to take it. Because if we, like, still get the confirmation, I'm still going to try out the trade. Before they change it to 5 accounts. I don't really like this chop. Bro, what the fuck is an iceberg? Dog, you're ripping 40 milligrams of Zin or of fucking pouches. Hold on, we just popped up crazy on NQ. Oh fuck, this is gonna fucking bust its nut, isn't it? I might fucking front run this, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is gonna fucking explode, isn't it? Oh no. Oh dear god. Still got another minute 30. Oh shit. If it confirms like right here, like if it confirms like right there, I'm still gonna shoot, and then I'll put like my stop like that. Did we sweep out the high? I'm trading these funded next flex accounts, so I'm just like eval shooting, but we'll see. I just want the risk to reward to make sense.
Order filled.
I'm doing it. Alright. Don't judge me off my risk to reward because I'm just trying to get these fucking accounts to its threshold. Do I still have my stack of Apexes? Yep. I just trade my 20 stack separately. I trade a 5 stack of Lucids with a 5 stack of Tradeify select accounts. So I trade those 10 accounts together, and then I trade 20 Apex accounts separately. I have 2 different like stacks. And then I'm trying to add funded next to the Lucid Tradeify funded next arsenal. CPI was dog, bro. That shit was ass. That was like I mean, CPI and NFP were both horrible. Both of them were like literally dog shit fucking releases. Luckily, I tried doing the one shot, one kills, but I didn't get tagged on my fills didn't get like tagged. So I didn't have to worry about shit. I'm not gonna lie, Matt. Time to get the personal swings. I have a personal account that I use swings on already. BM, bro, you don't know that I've literally came from swing trading. Like I don't the intraday like 1 minute trades and 3 minute trades, that's just not my like this is like I can do it, but like it's not my thing. For the people that know me, bro, I used to swing trade like 4-hour and hourly swings and sometimes daily swings from like weekly, monthly, daily key levels. Bro, I used to like literally rip that shit. From options trading to foreign currencies, bro, I was literally like the swing king. I loved that shit. It was like, oh my god, it was prime, bro. That shit was prime. I remember, and CHF was your arch enemy. Yeah, it fucking was my arch enemy, bro. That shit was fucking ass. It was, I remember it was a CAD. It was a CAD CHF, and I think I got stopped out. I think I got stopped out to like at the tick, and it bottom ticked me out and then ran like 1,000 pips. Like legitimately fucking broke my absolute heart. Unfortunately, but oh, Jesus Christ. Be nice, NQ. Be nice. Respect this little 5-minute piece. Check what? No, the stream with Keyflow will probably be tomorrow. I'm actually waiting to hear back from him right now. I'm trying to get them consistently on Wednesdays, but it's more so dependent on his schedule, I guess. His schedule is pretty much whenever he's like in the area or whatever it might be. I tried the long. Can you tell me what to do? What? The 1 hour SMT fill and got wrecked. Wait for the next opportunity, brother. I'm going to keep on stabbing this thing until I get those relative equal highs. Ay. I pretty much just market bought in off of a 3-minute IFVG, brother. I'm not gonna lie. I just wanted to see the relative equal highs go, and there was a 90-minute SMT inside of this gap. So I'm like anticipating this to expand to run these relative equal highs. SMT here. 90-minute bullish fair value gap. I want to see it's either we get the expansion on this 90-minute candle here or the next 90-minute candle that forms in 10 minutes. So if we don't get it here, it's going to happen on the next one. But this is what we got. Kind of just we're within a range, but we're trying to make a play within the range. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's going to play, though. It's fucking around. Why is it black screen? I don't have black screen. No, I'm playing on funded next evals. I'm playing it on some evals right now. Playing it on some evals, my friend. No, they're not, dude. I got these accounts for $70. I got five accounts. What is that? What's 70 times 5? I got 5 accounts for $350. Turn your room lights red? No. I can't do that, Tenko. You want me to, I mean, I would have to turn, what's it called? I would have to tell my girl to return the sniper logo and say, yo, this is, the green's not approved by chat. I need this red. Yeah, no, it's only green. Would it be cooler if it was red? I do have a bar. I do have a light bar that could change colors. But I do have the red eye. The red eye glasses though. That makes everything red. Once it hits 9 o'clock, I'm gonna put these on. Cause this already this screen is making my eyes bleed. All right, come on, NQ. Be good to us here. Be good to us. Be good to us. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Yeah, there's a 90-minute SMT inside the gap. I'm basically just I'm making a play up to target these relative equal highs. If it doesn't do it now by 9 o'clock, or if it doesn't do it like if we don't have good structure before 9 o'clock, like inching higher here, then it's gonna do it on the next 90-minute candle. The framework is literally from here. This is the framework. 90-minute bullish fair value gap, SMT within the gap, relative equal high draw. That's the framework. That's it. Nothing really else to it. Wait, what did you say, Christua Romas? What did you say? You want to trade? Yes, I'm talking about the trade that I'm in. Yeah, 90-minute candle wick is massive. It is big. It is big. But I still want to see that SMT hold, and then I want us to I want to see it on NASDAQ first. I want NASDAQ to take the high. That's what I want to see. But regardless, 188.25. 188.25. Good 5-minute candle closure there. All right, NASDAQ, come on. Get your ass up there. Are you looking for the new 90-minute no. I already have it right now. I want the next 90-minute candle to be a C3 that is that swing formation, and then I want it to continue. So either we continue now or at the next 90-minute candle. But preferably I would want this to move aggressive now. Yeah, I haven't released the video yet. Yes, I am in the trade. I am in the trade. For the people that joined late. I'm not on the Tradeify competition. I'm on the NinjaTrader competition. And that one is actually free. The NinjaTrader competition, and it has a cash prize of up to $250,000. So if you guys want to join that, it's free, and you can copy trade it with any of your prop firm accounts. If you go to the description of the live, you can see it. Come on, NQ. Give us a good push here. Give us a good push here, bitch. I want a good 5-minute candle closure. Good 5-minute candle closure. I could reduce my risk. I could be good to go. I mean, do you want me to have my P&L? Do you? Why does my P&L matter to you? No, I'm not gonna. I'll probably reduce my risk to a logical swing point. I want to explain to you guys the logic behind the trade that I'm taking, so you guys understand it, rather than just like LARPing a P&L that really means nothing to you. But you can hear it when you hear stop filled or order filled. That's why you hear it when I have an order that goes in. You hear the sound order filled. What's gold doing right now? I have alerts set on gold at 4717.7. That big 90-minute gap here. That's where I have alerts set on gold. Yeah, but if let's say I'm in a trade, I'm in the trade, and you guys just see a number P&L moving. Some people are just gonna join and they're just gonna buy in, just randomly and like without thinking, because they just want to be in something because of my target that I have. I want you guys to understand the logic, why I got into the trade, the narrative behind it, and the execution, and then you can get into the trade if it makes sense to you. I don't want people just coming in here just bot signaling me. Because if the people that just come in here and do that, all you're doing is just like, one, you're not learning anything, and two, that just shows me that I'm just doing this so that people could just copy. And that doesn't make me feel like I should continue doing it. And like, I have a 1.5 R on this trade for a risk to reward. Let's say I'm in profit and like people see the money moving, people might just be fucking spam buying while it's the risk to reward doesn't make sense. All right, here is the next 90-minute candle here, guys. In the next 5 seconds. All right, that's not a bad 5-minute candle closure. You could probably put your stop to that 5-minute swing low here, guys. That 5-minute swing low. This is a good stop loss right here. Put your stop at that low. Just adjust it a little bit. Also, I have my my TP at this high, but I'm going to like drag this and move it up higher, obviously, if we reach through that high. But my new stop is here. And I want 29,187. Key does rejection block entries, yes. No, Key does it in a good way too. But Key has limits in for certain levels that he uses. I'm more like spontaneous. I won't have limits in at certain levels. I have to wait for confirmation of levels. I'm going to see what happens here when NASDAQ runs that previous 90-minute candle high. I want us to follow through with it on the run of that high, because we would run this high, create an SMT, and I don't want it to turn against. But here's one thing. Let's say if the Dow Jones turns lower, but I obviously don't want that to happen, but if Dow Jones turns lower, sweeps this out, creates another 90-minute, then that would allow more speed on NQ to trade higher. Nah, I don't really play any games, brother. Alright, so we ran that 90-minute candle high. I want us to keep ripping through this. And I want us to take up to this resting high here. I'm going to partial out some of the position at that resting high. So you guys can do the same right here at, you guys can do the exact same thing at 188.25. If we get a really good 5-minute candle closure, I'm going to go break even. And if we inverse this too. I want us to inverse this 5-minute bearish gap. Alright, we inverse that 5-minute gap at least. That's good. I'm going to adjust my stop even more. Basically go break even. Put my stop at that 5-minute candle low here. I just want to see price accelerate. See this IFBG hold. Let's see what's gold doing. Okay, gold's in that 90. It's got to give like a change in the safe delivery though. But it's on radar though. It's just gotta, it's definitely gotta pop. All right, good reaction from this IFBG here on the NASDAQ. I want to see more push through. I want this to rip right through that high. Yeah, I'm basically break even here. My stop loss is at the 134 level on NQ. The 134 level on NQ is my stop. Nice. We got another minute or 50 seconds until this 5-minute candle closure. Bro, I love Asia. Asia is a vibe. I like it because I don't need to worry about fucking, what's it called, bro? I don't need to worry about the orange man tweeting some bullshit while I'm in trades while he's awake. Right now, he's in bed cracking Melania. You know? I'm just fucking straight chilling. Don't need to do or worry about fucking that man saying shit. And we can just try and catch calm trades. Good 5-minute candle closure here. Really good 5-minute candle closure here. If you guys are in this long, you could pretty much just go break even. Wait, hold on. My entry's at, where am I at? 132. A little lower than this. Very nice. Good shit, NASDAQ. What did gold just do? Gold just gave a little pop here. Guys, pay attention to gold. Pay attention to gold here. If gold can give a change in the safe delivery, this thing can move. We're really close to the partial point on NASDAQ. I like this. I framed it from a 90-minute bullish fair value gap. We had a 90-minute gap here. We had SMT within the 90-minute gap, and we had relative equal high draw resting here. So the trade was framed from that 90-minute gap with SMT. That was the framework behind the trade. Oh, you passed your account? Fuck yeah, let's go, baby. W in the chat. Wait, somebody put ones in the chat if you're in the longs on NASDAQ. Put ones in the chat. Spam ones in the chat. Spam ones in the chat if you're in the longs. Come on.
Order filled.
Bang, bang, bang. There we go. There's your partial, guys. Now we let this run higher. There's the partial. Make sure you guys are reducing your risk. I have 3 contracts running right now on NASDAQ. I have 3 contracts running. I'm holding them. I'm going to hold them. I'm going to look for 232. Let's look for 232 here. That's basically aligned with this external high. Let's actually do this here. This buy side here. So I'm looking at 228. 228. And then beyond that, let's look for up here. Let's look for all the way up here. The next stop, 228. Just make sure you guys are break even on this trade now. Break even with the partials. Oh shit. What's up, Mastro? Wait, was this wasn't the one in New York, right? This was not Dodge. Was this? Oh, this was in Orlando, wasn't it? That was in Orlando. Am I right? Yeah, Orlando, I remember. Wait, are you the bro? Is it? Are you the one that was that looked like fucking McGregor? I'm only saying that based off of your profile picture. Did you post? Where did you post, Neil? On Twitter or where? Instagram? Hold on, let me look. Let me peep. Let me go peep. Oh, it would be criminal if we left the actually no, it wouldn't be criminal if we left the relative equal highs. I mean we have bullish periods respecting here. We have down closed candles. We have bullish fair value gaps. It should pierce out that high. We should continue. The only thing that like the only thing that would be actually be huge here is if we ran out the low, not 49,813. We created another 90 SMT at this low here, and then we continued higher, just creating more bullish SMT, having the Dow Jones manipulate for NQ to then distribute higher. So, I mean, I don't care even if I get taken out of this trade. I've already taken my money out. So, whatever I have left is fine. Shit, what's up, bro? How you been? Happy to have you here. Hope you've been killing your trading. Bum, 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 bum. Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. I just reposted it for you, bro. How long did it take you to start building traction on social media? Pretty much, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I started off on Twitter, and Twitter was basically just like my regular trading journal, and I just posted to post just for the love of the game. And next thing you know, like, I started posting like some educational content. People started liking it, reposting my stuff, and sooner or later, like, I went from Twitter to posting on YouTube. I would basically funnel people from my Twitter to my YouTube channel, and then um, I started Instagram late, but then I started posting like my live trades that I do on my Discord, and yeah, all I pretty much do is I just document my process, and people like it, and I just try and showcase my stuff as easy as possible, and then I just rinse and repeat, and just consistently put out content. It's a long game, obviously, to build traction on social media, but like you can't really get impatient with it. You just gotta keep on posting, like post and post and post and post and post. Try and engage with your audience, connect with them, just showcase your personality. If people like your content, they also like your personality, they'll ride with you, they'll stick with you. You support them, they support you. You support them by putting out content, they support you by liking your content. Bro, you want to show me your girlfriend, bro? No. I don't want to see your girlfriend. Oh, fuck. My bad. My fault. My fault. You said you want to show your girlfriend. Also, guys, by the way, if you just held, what's it called? NASDAQ just took out those highs. So that should be a full TP for you guys. I want to see this push. I want to see us push here, guys. I want to see us rip. I want to see a ripper. I want to see 228 on NQ. I'm putting my partial out. 228 on NQ. Taking more off there. $228 on NQ. I want to see 228. That's my next target. Hold on, I'll comment too. I'll comment too. I got you. I commented. I want to milk this thing. Happy to have you in here, Mastro. I'm happy to hear you're doing good too. Keep on posting your shit, and everything will check out eventually, brother. Much love. Maybe I'll see you on TV in the Octagon on the next fight. But we are risk-free here on NASDAQ, guys. We're risk-free. Brandon, bro, I like those shorts that you're posting of your live trades, bro. Those are fire. Those are always the best ones. I don't care what anyone says. The best, like, Instagram reels and shorts that anyone could post is literally the live trades. And what is the hook is when they hear order filled. That is the hook. And immediately when someone scrolls and they see a reel and they hear order filled, they're inclined to stay. They're going to watch the whole fucking thing. They're going to see if you won or lost. That's literally it. Those are the best. What is gold doing? Gold's really not doing much right now, brother. Still bleeding through. Nothing of real value here, honestly. So I'm not really caring too much about gold. I'm just riding with NASDAQistan right now. Just riding with NASDAQistan. My order filled, the neighbors can also hear. Yeah, bro, my order filled sound is like a siren. BM said he full ported my signal. So Brandon, I'm expecting a nice Venmo tip. A nice Venmo tip or a nice Zelle. That'd be great. That'd be fire, brother. Or if you want to get me like a nice little watch, that'd be cool. Or just buy me drinks whenever we go to the next festival together. Speaking of next festival, we're planning on going to a head trip in California in October. Obviously, that's a ways away, but that's the next festival that we're planning on doing. And BM, bro, look at the lineup for head trip. Look at that lineup. Check that lineup and you'll fucking love it. Yeah, I'm live in my Discord tomorrow. I'm coming to Europe. I will come to Europe, I promise. I just don't know what the fuck is going on with the hentai virus. Like, what the fuck is that? The hentai virus, bro? Hopefully by the time you come, I'm selling yachts. Okay. I like to hear that. That's a good connection, huh? I want to see the S&P 500 cut through this high here at 427. Basically want to see the S&P 500 break that SMT. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I edit all of my reels myself. I edit on my fucking phone. And it takes me 10 minutes max. And I'm not gonna lie, my long form videos will all be done by Claude. And I'll have AI doing all my editing. Not even kidding. Good 5-minute candle closure there. Bum, 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 bum. Also, if you guys wanna partial out at other points in the trade, feel free. If you want to close the full position out fully, you can. Like, whatever you guys want to do in regards to trade management, this is just my targets that I have above. Like, if you guys want to trail your stops too, feel free. There goes the S&P 500, by the way, sweeping out that corresponding high that we ran on the NASDAQ. So that's good here. The next thing would be for the Dow Jones to run out the same corresponding high here at 49888. A comfortable thing if you guys want to, honestly. If you want to, we could trail our stops to that 5-minute swing low here, which is a 15-minute. It's a 15-minute gap, but it's not a bad trail. If you guys want to trail your stop there, you can. Bring that. Or actually, I'm gonna leave. Actually, if you guys want to trail your stop, you can. But I'm gonna leave my stop at break even where it was, just in case we do come down to that 15-minute gap, tag it, and then go higher, because it is technically price taking out an external high to go into an internal range liquidity pool, which would be that 15-minute gap. So it technically could come into that 15-minute gap. I'll trail my stop if we run this high. Trail SL. Other than that, I'm leaving my stops at break even. I just want to make sure you guys are managing your positions properly and you are like securing the money that you have right now. That's important to me. As long as you guys are bagging that in. Bro, Asia is more relaxing to trade. I don't need to worry about Orange Man talking out of his butthole. And I don't need to worry about fucking like spastic wicks that fucking rail that drill me. Pause. Secured 500, letting the runners run. Good man, good man. That's what I like to hear. Yeah, you should be out of like you should have a big chunk of your position out already. Whatever happens from this point on shouldn't matter to you. Do I trade Asia session every day? Not every day. I just think that we set up perfectly from the closure of yesterday. Can't get next of this. I'm souped up. I don't want. When does if ES takes the New York AM high, we'll close NQ out if we fully get there. AM high. What up, Big? Oh, is this AM high? Oh, wait, it's way higher than that, brother. MC sounds like. I'm gonna mark off this high. Mark off that high on the S&P. Watch me stand for this. Rap starts from. Rap starts from. Rap starts from. Rap starts from. NQ longs were free as fuck. Literally so free, bro. Here, I'm gonna do a premium giveaway. I'll do that. I'll do that at 10 o'clock. I'll do that at 10 o'clock. And in order to enter, it'll be very, very simple. In order to enter, it'll be very simple. I'll show you guys exactly what you need to do to enter. All right. Where did that go? About you all the time. Also, make sure you guys are liking the stream. We have 200 people watching. There's got to be at least 150 likes in this bitch. Need 150 likes in this bitch. All right. So I'm going to pin this link in the chat. I pinned it. I'm going to do the giveaway at 10 o'clock. It'll give you guys 20 minutes. You have to sign up if you already done it. You have to sign up to that link. It's a free trading competition to win actual cash with NinjaTrader. I'm participating in it. Everybody's participating in it. Send a screenshot that you've already entered if you did it before, or if you've done it now. If you're doing it now, send a screenshot that you're in the competition and registered. Send it in the free Discord. You're entered. And I will be picking 3 people to give a month free of premium. While we're just watching NASDAQ do what it wants to do. I want this thing to blast off. Ooh, let's play this. I like this song. Yeah. I like how the Dow Jones is also ripping higher too, targeting that same corresponding high we already took out on the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. Nope, there's no teams. It's everything solo. Bro, Brandon, you gotta go to my SoundCloud, bro. My likes. I have some new shit that I cooked on there, bro. Good 5 minute there. I have a mixture of like, here, just look up Matt Lober on SoundCloud, bro. I'll share it with you. It's a picture of me when I was like 14 at my first ever festival, bro. And you can see I just took a picture with these 2 random Johns. He's on a late reply. Oh, let's go, guys. We have the stream tomorrow in the warehouse with Keyflow. Let's go. On a late reply. Yo, Brent, I'll text it to you, bro. Hold on. Where are you? There you are. Head trip. Cali. Come on, NASDAQ. Fucking rip this shit. Rip it. Higher, higher, higher. Higher. Higher, 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 higher. Always on light reply. Come on, bitch. Go, go, go. Is gold doing it? Okay. Gold's looking spicy. There isn't any. Gold's looking pretty good. It's got to displace a little bit more though. It would probably be a lot. It would probably be safe if you waited for like a closure above here. Like a closure above here. And then shoot it. Yeah, I would say the 5-minute chain of the safe delivery on gold. Revolution. I know 9. Oh. Guys, there's 92 likes on the stream. I gotta have 150 likes for the giveaway. 150 likes by 10 o'clock. You guys got 15 minutes. Like the stream, guys. Like the stream. Good ass 5-minute candle closure there. Come on, NASDAQ. Rip that shit. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Rip through the fucking high, baby. Come on. One more. Push, push, push.
Order filled.
Bang. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Holy shit, this thing is ripping. Trailing my stops now. Let's fucking go. Next target, guys. Next target. Next target. This buy side liquidity up here. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Absolute pumper. Pause. Are you fucking kidding me? I don't need to trade New York tomorrow. I'm trailing my stops. Trail stops. Trail stops. I literally have one contract running now. One contract running. Let's go, baby. I'm looking at 286. You can't tell my feeling when I saw you in that life. 286 is my final TP. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, shit. Guys, I have my stops trailed to that 5-minute swing low. My stop is at 172 on my runner. Feeling when I saw you in the light. Unfortunately, I don't have any funded next accounts to give away. But tomorrow, me and Key are going to give away a bunch of accounts on his YouTube. We're going to do Lucid and Apex. Yeah, Keyflow. That's what I'm fucking talking about, guys. Let's go. Come on, baby. Also, if you guys took this trade too, post it on your Instagram story. I'll repost it. I'll repost it on my page. Just let me know you guys took it. I'll repost it. Post it on your Instagram story. Tag me and I'll repost. Ooh, come on. S&P 500's also got some room to go. It's got some room to go to this high still. Still looking at 433.75. And then we still got the Dow Jones also to 49,888. I love how the 5-minute candle also closed above the high. That's really good. Bang. S&P 500 took out that high. Very, very good. Just closed the S&P 500. Good. Good shit. Let's fucking go. Say, play with me. Guys, we're at 109 likes. We got to get 150. 150 likes on the stream, guys. We're eating tonight. This shit was so free, bro. This was so free. Final TP is 286 and a quarter. Oh my god, the NASDAQ is ripping, bro. We're ripping. Come on, bro. Give us full TP. Give us full TP right fucking now. Oh my god. Give us full fucking TP, bro. Holy shit, we're fucking pumping. Give us 286, bro. Pay with me. Say so. Set your alerts on the Dow at 49,888. It's basically 2 standard deviations from this Asia range right here. And on top of that, it's basically right below this buy side liquidity here. But also, like, you guys don't need to close out at that point. You can close out here if you want. Like, we're up, like, well over 2R right now. Like, you guys can do what you want with this position. Like, this is all money on the table right now. Manage your position accordingly. Am I still? Fuck. Does a bear shit in the woods? Come on. Oh, you got it at 088? Jesus. I got break. I closed, my original entry was down here, bro. I got it at 99, and then I jammed my stop break even, and then I re-entered on a 3-minute inversion. Yeah, I live trade every day. Live trade every day, bro. Oh, we got a 5-minute gap tag here. Where's Eli? That's a great fucking question, bro. That's a great question. I wish I knew. I wish I knew where that kid was. Hopefully he's still trading. Hopefully he's still trading. Oh, it did? No, it didn't. It did not. I said this one, bro. I said this order block here at 4721. It might do something during London. Or maybe it's during New York tomorrow. I got my alerts set ready for gold. Yo, I'm going to brush my teeth in the meantime. Guys, like the stream and sign up for the competition as well. 5 minutes until I do the giveaway. Okay. All out there. All right, bet. Yeah, what questions do you guys have? What questions y'all got? Yeah, I don't think gold's not ready yet in my opinion, bro. Gold needs to do a little bit more damage. It's got to show a lot more willingness to go higher, in my opinion. Once it shows it's ready to go, it'll go. It's just I don't think it's ready. I don't think it's ready yet. Don't think it's ready yet, my friend. When it comes to IRL, does it matter which fair value gap we pick? Well, it matters when the gap is tagged and create. Like, there could be 3 fair value gaps that gets tagged. Like, let's say like we're trading into this. Let's say there's 2 gaps here on the Nasdaq, and like that. Let's say that instead of we're looking at the 5-minute, we're looking at the hourly fair value, like hourly or the 90. See how like we're trading into this fair value gap here on the Nasdaq, but on the S&P 500, we're trading into the lower one. So we're just right there. If Nasdaq tags this higher one here and has an SMT in here because the S&P 500 traded below and tagged this one, that would cause me to believe that we respect this fair value gap. We leave this one opened, and this is a breakaway, and then price expands away from here. And if I'm looking for a trade, I would drop to the 5-minute time frame, and I would look for a reaction out of that 90-minute gap, out of that hourly gap or 4-hour, whatever it might be. But I would want to see us expand away, creating the SMT like we have here. And I want to see this respect, and I want to see us trade higher and leaving this open. If the Nasdaq trades down lower and tags that same gap, then I would anticipate us to trade lower unless we create an SMT within the gap. But if we hold the SMT, I am expecting bullish continuation to then trade and take out the highs. That's something that you guys can note. All right, let's see. It's 10 o'clock. Now, we check the Discord. Oh, you see it? Hold on. I'll answer this question really quick. Oh, see, like, literally, look at this perfectly. Perfectly, we're popping off. I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to take another contract. Hold on. No, I'm not. If we pop from here, I'm going to trail my stop again if we have a good 5-minute candle closure. I see next question when it comes to my bias, 4-hour, 1 hour. So if you want to do something that I do, I pretty much have switched my time frame alignment. Instead of using the 4-hour, I use the 6-hour. Instead of using the 1 hour, is the 90-minute. And then I'll do 6-hour to 15-minute execution, 90-minute to 5-minute execution. When it comes to my bias, 4 hours less 1 hour is just showing bullish structure. When it comes, I know, right? Yeah. Yes, it's showing bullish structure. We just go to IRL. Yeah. Like, how do you know when to switch to bearish? Well, you switch to bearish when price is clearly violating higher time frame key levels, like inversing daily fair value gaps. Instead of making higher highs, we're making lower highs and lower lows. Like, if the higher time frame is shifting its structure, then you'll know what to do on the intermediate term perspective. Now, I need to go to Discord and see what you guys have placed here. Okay, so how many entries do we got? Okay, we got 1, 2, 3. Bang, bang, bang. Good. Okay. I would say, honestly, for gold, bro, gold would have to confirm a 5-minute breaker now. Or gold inversing this 15-minute bearish for value gap. That'd be good. Okay. Bro, Brandon, I literally am currently coding a bot right now. But I have to switch my live account that I was going to fund it with from Tradeovate to AMP. Because in order for me to get API access on Tradeovate for the live account, I have to pay $500 a month for the data. And I'm not doing that. So I'm switching to AMP. Or I can do interactive brokers. Does it matter once you enter when you got... Does it matter which one you enter when you got SMT? Preferably you want to execute on the stronger asset. Because a weaker asset, if you're looking for longs, can always make a lower low, stop you out, and the other asset holds a bullish SMT. So if you're looking for longs and you long the stronger asset, your stop loss placement, putting an SMT at a low, if that low gets taken out, the SMT will no longer be there. Therefore, the trade will most likely be invalid. Wait, Brandon, are you gonna what is the cost? What is the cost of interactive? I gotta text you about it, actually. But before we end this stream, I want to do the giveaway and tell people who won. All right, so we have in the public chat, we have Maddox, Juro, Abdul, and Ye. We got those four. Paracel, Paraset, you're already in premium, so I'll handle you in another way. I'll probably just give you an account. But we have these. These are the candidates here for the giveaway. These guys. Maddox, Juro, Abdul, and Yi. And then how do you say this? Paris Tomo. I'll take care of you, bro. I'll take care of you guys. Perfect. But yo, guys, I am going to close out of my runners here on NQ.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm done. I'm out of this trade. You guys can hold it. Just because I don't want to leave it overnight. If you guys want to hold this trade, hold it to 286. But other than that, we had an absolute banger of a fucking NASDAQ long. If you guys profited on this trade, if you guys took this trade with me and you made some money, you passed some accounts, fucking type W's, type 1s, whatever you want. If you want me to keep doing these streams, if you want me to keep doing these fucking type 1, type W, whatever it is, I just want to make sure that you guys are liking this shit. You want me to keep doing it, and if you guys do, I'll fucking keep on running them through. But honestly, phenomenal stream. Great fucking trade. And I am very, very happy with how we fucking played it out. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely fucking gorgeous. And if you guys want to hold this, fucking hold it to 286. Hold it to that external high if you want to at 296. Whatever you want to do. But it was a W of a trade. And we are on to the next stream. That will be tomorrow with Keyflow. So, with that being said, be safe, guys. Have a great rest of your night. And I will talk to you guys all later on. Deuces, everybody.